Hi everyone and welcome back to the Honor Clothing YouTube channel. Today we are going to be unboxing a £200 Latex Mystery Box. Latex Mystery Box, there are 3 different pricing options. There's £150, there's £200 and there's also £250. But today we're going to be looking at a £200 Latex Mystery Box. So essentially in the mystery boxes you will get 2 to 6 different items of latex clothing. These will hopefully build a perfect latex outfit and they're all hand-picked for you. You just input in your size and you can also list anything that you don't want to receive. Maybe you've got that item already, so that option is also available for you as well. So let's take a look at what is inside this £200 latex mystery box. So they come packaged really nicely in this embellished box with Honor on and Honor clothing along the side. So they're really nicely gift wrapped already. So if you're thinking about getting a box like this for Christmas, for a partner or for yourself, then yeah, we've already got really nice packaged boxes. So we have it all really beautifully packaged up, and the first item is black fingerless shoulder length latex gloves. Also got what looks like a latex skater skirt, super cute, and the final item is this beautiful latex body. I'm just going to unpackage these so you can take a closer look at each item before I try it on. This is the Renegade latex body, and yeah, the detailing on this is just absolutely stunning. I can't wait to try it on. So this is the latex Renegade body. There's some really beautiful black latex detailing all down the side. This is a 2-zip latex body. So there's two-way zip here. Oh, there's actually 3. There's one at the top as well. So there's 3 zips on this latex body. So you can wear it either down or all the way to the top. And then also there's a 2-way zip at the bottom as well. This is a really beautiful shade of red. It's almost slightly metallic. I don't know if you can see that, but this is really, really stunning and looking forward to trying this on. And here is a closer look of the latex skater skirt. This is in a beautiful red shade. This is a micro length skirt, and this is going to pair really, really nicely with the Renegade body. This has not been shined yet, so once this is shined, this will look super cool. So here is a closer look of the black fingerless shoulder length latex gloves. As you can see, they have no fingers as they're fingerless, but there is a little thumb hole there. And yeah, these are super duper long. So this is the latex bodysuit on, and this is very, very body hugging, but in a totally good way. It really cinches everything in. It fits absolutely beautifully, and what I love about this is you can wear it however many different ways you like. Because of this zip option, you can wear it either a little bit below, or you can wear it all the way up to the top like so. This is the micro red latex skirt on. I've paired it over the body, and yeah, this really fits beautifully. I love that how when you put this together, it looks like a dress. As I said earlier, the latex mystery boxes are made to become like an outfit. So this is really, really beautifully put together. These are the shoulder length fingerless black latex gloves on, and they literally go right up to your shoulders. They are super duper long, but really effective as well. And I love that they're fingerless because it means you can carry on, go on your phone, and they're just a lot easier to get on than regular gloves. So these are super cool, and what I like about this is that it matches the black little indentations on the bodysuit. So it ties in really beautifully together. I'm gonna go ahead and shine using the Skin 2 Dress and Shine Serum as always. And here is the outfit shined using the Skin Tea Dress and Shine Serum.